A coach pushed to the absolute edge.
Tyler Marsh erupted on a WNBA referees.
Tyler Marsh wound up getting ejected for running up on this referee after no foul was called.
Tyler Marsh loses his he loses his mind.
Throwing a punch at the ref, but he wasn't because he missed the ref.
Chicago Sky head coach Tyler Marsh completely lost his composure, charging a referee.
A coach pushed to the edge. Chicago Sky's Tyler Marsh completely losing his composure and charging at a referee. Tyler Marsh erupts on a referee, running straight at him, ready to come to blows. Tyler Marsh sprints at the referee in rage, held back as the official throws him out. Marsh's charge almost looks like a punch thrown at the ref before players pull him away. Referee admits in the post-game pool report, "We missed the foul. It should have been called."
Chicago Sky head coach Tyler Marsh completely lost his composure, charging a referee in a moment of pure, unfiltered rage.
The moment was shocking as Marsh, normally seen as mild-mannered, erupted in front of the entire arena.
Now, I did not know that Tyler Marsh erupted on a WNBA referees.
In Chicago's heated matchup, Marsh's eruption wasn't a slow build. It was instant.
Looked like he was throwing a punch at the ref, but he wasn't because he missed the ref by like 3 foot.
Marsh's anger reached a point where his charge at the referee almost looked like a punch was being thrown.
Tyler Marsh loses his he loses his mind.
Tyler Marsh lost his mind in real time, sprinting toward the referee with full force.
His own players, including Angel Reese and Michaela Onyewer, and his coaching staff had to physically restrain him.
The referee instantly tossed him from the game, but the damage had already been done.
I mean, my dude was literally about to come to blows. He's about to go to blows with a WNBA referee, bro.
After a no call, he immediately sprinted across the court and ran straight up on the referee.
He comes in, right? He charges up on the ref.
The video shows him swinging his arm as he rushed forward, missing the official by just a few feet.
Right up to the referee. He's got to be held back. Look at him, dude. Dude does a sprint.
The clip shows him being pulled back by Angel Reese, Michaela Onyewer, and even Courtney Vandersloot, who is still recovering from an ACL injury.
Pulling him back from a line he already sprinted across, and he was tossed from the game instantly.
This chaotic outburst became the central talking point as fans questioned how things spiraled to this point.
I mean, he just immediately erupted.
His body language made it clear he was ready for confrontation, and at one point it appeared like the situation could come to blows.
Right there. He mad. He big mad. I don't blame him. There he is. There's the arm come out. All right? Look how far away he is.
Though he didn't actually land a hit, the motion alone was enough to terrify the referee and players nearby.
Does a sprint, does the whole He's furious.
It took multiple people to stop him as he shouted furiously in the referee's face.
And what could push a coach who is normally described as a mild-mannered to crash out?
For many, it looked like the coach was ready to attack the referee after a blatant missed call.
Right there, ran up on dude. He ran up on dude, bro.
Angel Reese jumped in from the bench, climbing onto his back to hold him back from going any further.
That was perpetrated in the middle of the damn court. But you saw that. You're out there. You're literally looking up refereeing.
This sudden move made the scene appear violent and dangerous, forcing teammates like Angel Reese to act quickly.
We have Angel Reese hopping off the bench, pulling him back. Michaela Onyewer hopping off the bench, pulling him back.
The eruption wasn't just loud. It was physical, leaving fans stunned at how quickly things escalated.
State no accountability. Sky head coach Tyler Marsh braced his silence after heated clashing.
The crowd gasped as the coach had to be dragged away before things got completely out of control.
Little Tyler Marsh crashing out after having to watch this freaking game.
The official, who had ignored an obvious foul moments before, suddenly found himself in the middle of chaos.
I don't want to see the players complain all the time. I don't want to see the players get in the official's face. I don't want to see.
Marsh was immediately ejected, But the image of his players desperately holding him back spread across social media.
None more dramatic than head coach Tyler Marsh fiery ejection against the Connecticut Sun on Saturday.
This shocking confrontation highlighted the boiling frustration that had been simmering for weeks.
They're all blind. Kathy Engelbert, why is all your refs' eyes like this?
The sequence raised serious questions about player safety and the control referees had over the game.
At some point, the coach needs to say, it's time for me to flip some tables and stand up for my team.
For many, this became the defining picture of the night, symbolizing how far the officiating crisis had pushed a coach past his breaking point.
After the game, the official crew chief Eric Bruton admitted it in the pool report.
After the chaos, the referee crew chief Eric Bruton admitted in the official pool report that they had indeed missed the foul that triggered Marsh's outburst.
Hi, Coach Christian Winsider. You got ejected today. What was really the breaking point for you, and how was it when you weren't able to coach your team being in the back?
In his post-game remarks, Tyler Marsh revealed the emotional toll of being ejected.
The other half of me was like, I had to. It's been egregious all year.
Marsh expanded further, pointing out that every time he had received a technical foul this season, it was in defense of his players.
What they gonna do, fine you? I told you already, Kathy don't give a fuck. She probably gonna fine him anyway.
Fans and analysts reacted immediately, pointing out that Marsh's anger mirrored what many across the league had been saying for months. The referees were not doing their jobs.
He said, and this is his words, the no call and live play, we did not see the illegal contact, but when we came back and looked at it post-game, there was contact, which should have been called, and we just missed the play.
This shocking admission confirmed what fans and players had seen with their own eyes, that Elizabeth Williams was blatantly fouled by Aaliyah Edwards.
Breaking point, I mean, you guys saw it was clear as day. And I think that when stuff like that goes uncalled.
Speaking to reporters, he admitted that it was hard being in the back and not out there with his team, saying part of him felt like he let them down.
Last time Connecticut, there were a few ejections last time you guys played. That's a good point, Mr. Marsh.
He highlighted how coaches and players were constantly held accountable for mistakes, while referees faced no consequences for theirs.
She probably gonna, you see she's finding Sophie every time she open her mouth about a referee.
From champions like the New York Liberty to stars like Brittney Griner, almost every top team had complained about officiating.
There was contact on the preceding play between Aaliyah Edwards and Alyssa Williams, what led to the no call at the end.
The referee's failure to act not only changed the game, but also fueled Marsh's violent charge toward the referee.
Tyler Marsh, man, but yeah, I'm telling you right now, look, one more time, work, Kathy.
But at the same time, he explained he had reached a breaking point after enduring what he described as egregious officiating all year.
And these referees are sitting blindfolded watching the next game.
He argued that accountability should exist on all sides, not just one.
Instead of fixing the goddamn problem, which is clearly the referees, Kathy rather put a gag order on everybody and just keep it going.
The difference here was that Marsh's eruption turned those complaints into a viral, unforgettable image.
Bruton, the no call on live play, we did not see the illegal contact.
For critics, this admission was proof that officiating mistakes were directly leading to dangerous escalations on the court.
When is enough with these damn referees, man?
Marsh's words made it clear that this wasn't about a single missed call. It was about months of frustration boiling over.
They send a referee from the last game to the next game. Oh, Tyler Marsh, you're cooking, man. You're cooking up with this one. I'd love to see it.
For Marsh, this latest no call against Connecticut was simply another example of his team being given the short end of the stick.
Like straight up, can you believe she had the audacity to say the only people complaining about the referees are the people that are losing?
His punch-like lunge at the referee, stopped only by Angel Reese and teammates, became the moment that forced the league into crisis mode.
Tyler Marsh lost it. He crashed out today. He might get fired after this.
His tone showed no regret for defending his players, only anger at the system that forced him into that moment of rage.
That game to ref us tonight and allow something like that to occur. Not to saying that she was part of it, but
His frustration was shared by fans who felt he was standing up for fairness.
Like, we done heard the champions, the New York Liberty, say the referees suck.
For many, this wasn't just about Chicago. It was about a WNBA-wide problem that could no longer be ignored.
We done seen the Minnesota Lynx say the referees suck.
I liked his actions and I like what he said even more.
They blew in a season full of them. So I have to ask you, was Coach Marsh's rejection justified or did he go too far?
Like, I'm gonna be that real true. I don't think they would be dealing with that. Like, bro, you mean to tell me y'all can't get no official? There's high school officials that are better than that, bro. He literally stood there.
But did she jump out of character, bro? I mean, how many times have we seen this play out over and over and over again with these WNBA referees? And I keep telling y'all, Kathy has said nothing. I mean,
Damn church leagues. I mean, seriously, YMCA. Boy, you got your vision back quick when he came charging in, didn't you?
Tyler Marsh explains his breaking point, saying officials face no accountability while coaches and players are punished. The big question left hanging: was Coach Marsh justified, or did he go too far against the referee? Analysts argue high school referees are doing a better job than those in the WNBA, calling the league a joke. Fans point out this is a systematic problem, recalling similar incidents with Caitlin Clark and Stephanie White. Where was the technical foul on the mugging? Fans slam referees for being blind to obvious fouls but quick to punish Marsh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates.